Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. For the first one, if we do this integration, we will have about e to the power of 5 minus 2s over negative number 2, because negative number 2 is about coefficient of s. That's why if we do this integration, coefficient of s should be in here. And we put about c. This one, we will have about 5 to the power of 5 minus 2s over ln number 5. That's here about the base of this one in here. And we have negative number 2. That's about coefficient of s. And we put about c. Question number 3, we need to use about integration by substitution. So we put about u equals to this one. So if we do first derivative for the both sides, we have 2s plus 3 ds. So this one we change by u. 2s plus 3 ds we change by du. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of u. And we put about c. About u, that's about this one. Question number 4. S to the power of 4 divided by s square, s divided by s square, 4 divided by s square. We will have about s square minus 4 over s plus 4 over s square. The integration of s square, we have s to the power of 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 minus 4 ln of the absolute value of s minus 4 over s, and we put about c. This one we have number 3 and number 3. This is the end. Thank you for watching.